Hey everyone! Today I want to show you something cool, how to turn on a lamp in Photoshop. So we're going to come in here. I have my photo that I want to work with right here in Bridge. I'm opening it up in Camera Raw first since it's a Camera Raw file. We're going to adjust the temperature, so I can use the white balance tool or my temperature from here. And somewhere around here is what was natural. Increase the exposure a tiny bit, go down with my highlights, open my shadows, and push the dehaze a bit so that really pops the contrast. Now that I have a ready document, I will crop it to size, which is 5:7, which is what I want for this final one to be at. And it's ready to bring into Photoshop. Okay, we're going to come in here, create an empty new layer. I'm going to use the paintbrush tool. And for color, we're going to use maybe more to the red tone a bit, something like this. Now I'm going to change the layer mode on this so it looks supernatural, and this will depend largely on what type of image that you're working on. So in this case, screen looks pretty natural. Overlay also good, soft light probably the best. So this is as far as the actual glow in the lamp. Let's turn on the before and after. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. Now what I might want to do is add another glow in a different color, so it looks really natural, and I'm going to go with a lighter tone for this one, and I'm going to increase the size. Let's move it around in different directions and change the layer mode. Again, I like what soft light looks like. We're going to go in with color as well, see what this gives us. Nope, back to soft light. So this is before without any glow. This is a first glow, and this is a second. And I might want to bring this second one, make it a bit smaller. Kind of looks more authentic where the actual bulb is. Let's look at it before and after, and it's helpful to have it really small so you can see. This is before, and this is after. Still not super happy with the results. Perhaps try and change the color on this. So color overlay. Let's try a really white one. Just kind of nice. I think this is closer to what I was looking for. Okay, so we ended up just doing a white glow instead of that yellow. And it's a lot better. Let me adjust the opacity on this one. And for the original one, I still like this bottom glow. Okay, so now I'll group these two. Not merge, group, so Control G. Let's look at the before and after. before and after. Slight difference. Let's see if we can get one more to make it look even more natural. I'm going to pick a color from his hair because I like the I like his hair tones. It's like a yellow brown. Let's go through this one more time. Soft light again. Keep going for the soft light. And color. Color is looking really pretty. Before and after. Let's look at this from afar. Before and after. I love this one. We're going to leave it at color, and that's about it. Right now I'm going to merge these few layers together, and I'm going to brighten his face a bit. We're getting the yellow glow on his hair here as well, which is really natural since the light is practically on. And so at this point, the photo is complete. Took a before and after, before and after. Okay, I hope you guys enjoy this little tutorial. Take care for now.